Next car, next car. Oh my. Okay, this person's gonna wait. I know it.
One with the Geo Metro.
I'm in. Oh, he just gave us a nod, like you're so cool. Hi. Okay, the people who actually look, you can tell they're not really focused on the road. What if we were like,
their car blows up?
Wait, about you? Honk! Oh my god, yeah.
That's cool. To honk people like that.
I did! I went like this.
Oh.
Broccolini! Hi! Oh my god, I want that dog. This one. Why? Why be that way? Hey, go back! Hi! Yeah! I was...
But a lot of the time, they're not allowed to. I'll give you $5 if you write your number on a piece of paper and then put it on the window.
No.
$5.
You honk and I wave. Honk and wave, guys. Honk and wave. What was he doing? He's like this logo. You just have to look really happy.
I've actually gotten him to honk on the high.
Creeper fan! Creeper fan! Are you shining the camera into the car? Oh my god, she looked at me and then the camera is like looks straight. Jeez. Creeper man! You're being on film, sir.
Wait up, buddy.
Okay, go!
Wave with both hands and then you can't wave. Did he wave?
He was like this. He's like he's not behind us. That's right. No.
Oh, he puts on his sunglasses.
He puts on his shades. He wants to look good in our video, you know? Okay, go. That car. They're gonna hear us if you freaking knock.
It's not me.
Go.
My dad.
Hi.
My dad, I'm having a hard time driving.
I'm sorry, I won't knock anymore.
And just let you know when you knock, they can't hear you.
You guys keep saying things like that. You keep saying
People like that. People like that. People like that. People like that.